Alright guys, so here's the process. So this button to send the money, from what I remember, this button. Now here is the phone number. There's 7. I'm gonna put in my phone number, but don't call me. 9. By the time you watch this video, it's quite possible that I'm no longer in Japan and this is no longer my number. To be honest, I don't remember every little detail, so it is actually very helpful to have a phone on hand to translate. So we're gonna customer number. Okay, so here is, we just skip, and this looks like the amount up to 100,000 yen. So my amount is 7,900. I'm paying rent, by the way. Here, if I remember correctly, it's basically you can put payer name, so this button switches to Latin alphabet, and what I need to put here is my room number. Then this is space bar. Here goes my name. Alright, next. Okay, so here we choose where we're gonna pay. If I remember, Sumitomo Mitsui, so here. And this is the tricky part, so you have to pick the branch. And if you have your payment instructions, there will be a branch name, but here you have to type it in katakana. So I start with typing the letter To for Tokyo, and then in my payment instructions I have the bank name, which, if I remember, it's on the. So if you have a payment instruction, there will be some like bank name like this. So it's this one. Now this I don't remember, but I think that's the type of the account. Let me see. Account type. So got these letters here. It's the ones on top. Alright, and this, I don't remember what that is. So I'm gonna translate real quick. Okay, it's account number. It's the most important. Alright, so 9521705. This is my account number, and this at this very particular branch. Yours is going to be different. Now, to be honest, again, I don't really know what it says. Let's translate. So it's just making sure that everything is correct. Oh no, it says there is no recipient account. Oh, I picked the wrong branch, I guess. I don't know how. Okay. I picked Tokai branch instead of Tokyo branch. And my branch is actually here, this one, Tokyo Daiichi branch. So it's 4 letters. This one. Oh no. Okay, so Now it tells me that it's going to go to Tokyo National University of Science and Technology, Tokyo. Account number, it's from me, it's the amount. Let's continue. Now it's gonna ask for the money, and this is also a tricky part. So you can actually put more than it asks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The problem is we're kind of used to when you put in the money, you're used to that it will automatically close, but this one doesn't. So you have to press the button. Now it's gonna count. So we're done. And I think I'm not sure what it says, but I think it just tells you that it's accepted. Okay, it should give me 100 yen change and a receipt as well. Alright, and we're done. Arigato. I don't know why it shows that, but we were done. Alright.